The tech is out there.
When you leave, do it with peace of mind. Thanks to intuitive monitoring and notifications, you're never more than a click away from your most precious valuables. The hidden external camera's live feed lets you see who is on the outside from anywhere in the world. Packaged in a sleek and innovative design that fits where you want it to, discreetly, where no one needs to know. The door includes a massive 10-inch touch display and a 1mm thick tempered glass screen, equipped with an advanced biometric sensor that allows access from any angle. With plenty of room for all your valuables, and 2 LED strips that fully light the interior. An optional removable shelf allows for extra storage, and installs in seconds. Charge any device with the 2 inner USB ports. Check on your valuables from anywhere with the stealthy built-in camera, so you're protected from open to shut. Add access for the users you trust. Grant temporary access for emergencies or visitors with a one-time PIN code. Two-way talk allows you to speak, hear and see what's going on anytime, anywhere. Use the app to set temperature and humidity alerts and customize the exterior lights to be the color and brightness level you choose. Motion sensing accelerometers detect any unwanted movement, so intruders don't stand a chance. For optimum security, keep tabs with a never-ending activity log. Plug in the discrete USB-C adapter to any active outlet for continuous power. If the power goes out, the hidden backup lithium-ion battery activates to keep your device running. Over-the-air updates ensure you are current with constantly evolving features. Keep watch, and if you don't recognize who is on the outside, easily lock down your device, sound an alarm, and notify 911, all within the app. Built to withstand up to 3,300 pounds of force, to arm what matters most. Be in total control, with the SpaceSafe 2. Developing secure and user-friendly products for your space.
All tech all the time.